We are in Tioga, North Dakota, in this gigantic snowstorm.
It's horrible.
This is my sister.
You can't even
And
see.
there is no visibility whatsoever. And
It's been like this for 2 days, people.
this is not normal at our school. They canceled school around 12:30 because it was heavy snow and really bad wind temps. So they canceled it, and
And they canceled activities like dance, wrestling, and all sorts of stuff.
And
it's so soft.
that's about it for this video, cause
It was a
I'm
kind
not
of
allowed.
a hard explaining video.
We're not allowed to be out very long, especially in this, because you get
It's like
frostbite.
50 below.
You get frostbite so flipping easily. And sorry if I said anything that you're not allowed to hear, but it is flipping cold. So hope you guys like this, and it's just a brief interview and thing. I don't know what I'm saying about this. So
Hey, Wyatt, you missed the whole video.
my next video will be
missed the whole
sometime
video, Wyatt.
after this week, because I'm not videoing in all this storm. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to my next video.
Okay, jump on a tree.
Bye.